now near the Thornhill area to talk more about that damage. Mike?
Hey, Cassie, thank you very much for that. And yes, that looked really good. That storm coming in from Missouri and lasting that long is just crazy. These storms that affected this county came in from Kentucky. There was a cluster of storms that formed there, and as it moved in, you could see almost a bow echo, which showed very strong wind associated with it anyway. And of course, once it got here, it dropped that tornado. Now, they made estimations based on the damage. There's a lot of damage around, especially this barn that's destroyed. And right now, they're working on trying to stabilize this that came off of its foundation, and you can see all the metal at the top is gone. It was strewed all over this farm, even all the way down 131 here, with a lot of damage with the trees and the fences. But fortunately, it was only an EF-1. It did have 110-mile-an-hour wind, though, and that is pretty powerful, and it had a wide path of 7 football fields. I'll be back to let you know a little bit more about what's going on here in Grainger County. Until then, back to you, Robin.
All right, Mike, thank you very much. And our